this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect this little USB device to your Android TV. So this is rather easy. Just go to the back of your TV or your device, and there should be a USB port to plug this in. Simply just go to it and plug it in. So you can see what this looks like, this little slot. It's just a rectangle, and it should go somewhere on your device. Now your device might not support this, so you might have to look at it. Like this Google streamer device does not have the option for it, or this 4K device. You'll have to get some sort of adapter so you can do it, but this Fire Stick TV Cube does have a USB port, so some of them do. Otherwise, on the back of your TV, if you have an Android TV, there should be a slot. Now, how to access them is going to be a little bit different, so I'm just using Google TV. This is going to be similar to Android TV. You want to get the VLC player, so just go to the microphone option, say VLC player. Or go to the App Store and get VLC. So this is the VLC player. I should be able to just accept any kind of permissions and then go on down to my internal storage right here, or my external storage, which will be my USB device right here. So you can just select it here and then go into it and look at everything in there, and you can view your files and your documents that way. And I believe you can do this with like MX Player too. Otherwise, go on over to settings, go to settings right here, scroll on down, and we can just go to system, locate system somewhere, and there should be storage. So you should be able to see your internal storage and your external storage under here as well. And then you can just view your documents wherever they are, all your different applications and stuff like that. Otherwise, you can go back to the App Store. There could be other apps in here that'll do the same thing. Like I said, MX Player. If we go to video players and editors, I'm just using the Google Play Store. You should have access to this. So just look for some sort of player. So MX Player, like I said, that'll work too. So I can download and install that. And maybe this Nova video player would probably do the same thing. And you can just look for your internal storage and your external storage and just see which one is on there. So I'm not sure about these other ones, but just look for something with player on it. I know VLC is probably going to be just the best one for that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.